Hi. Whew. That one. It's a good one. Hi guys. Welcome back to my channel. Today you will be drinking with Gina. Yay! So, over the next few days we will be sampling out some new flavors of cellos. I'm very excited. I love cello. Limoncello is one of my favorite things. So we're going to be sampling some new ones. I'm going to start off today making a limoncello, and we're going to have a whole collection of different flavors you guys can check out in the next few videos. So what we're going to be needing to make this, we're going to start off by using 5 large limes. If you don't have the large ones, you can use about 7 or 8 of the smaller ones. I'm not going to be using the whole lime, I'm just going to be using the peel, so you want to make sure you wash them really good and then dry them off so that way they're going to peel a lot easier. We're going to be using this nifty little fruit peeler. Then we're going to be using pure grain alcohol. This stuff is strong. You can light it right on fire. Did it earlier. This is 153 proof, which is about 76%. So you can use a little higher and stronger alcohol if you want, but it's probably going to make it not taste as good. The flavor, it's going to be a little too overpowering and strong. So it's up to you. I think this is a good choice to use. We'll be using 1.5 cups. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get started on peeling this, and then I'm going to show you just drop it in, and then we're going to pour 1.5 cups over into the jar, and then we're going to let it sit and rest. So let's get started. Also, you guys want to make sure when you're peeling this, you don't want to get the white part inside here. That's the bitter part of the peel. You just want to get the outside of the green part. You don't want that meaty, chunky part. That will not taste good. So just get the green stuff. So go ahead and continue. And we're going to do this 4 more times. Okay. All right, so there you go. All of these are peeled. Take all this. Oh my god, it smells so good. I love the citrus smell. Alright, so I'm just going to dump all this in here, like so. Very sad that I won't be getting to drink this today. Yeah. Right. Look at this. Bottoms up. Ugh. They're so yummy. Just want more. Okay, so now I'm going to take my 1.5 cups, pour it in. Oh my god, it's like gasoline, so strong. It's good stuff. All right, go ahead and make sure you're using an airtight jar. So these mason jars are perfect. If you don't have a mason jar, you old spaghetti jar, those work great. Okay, we're going to seal it in here. So now, 30 days, you're going to let this sit and rest in a nice, dark, cool place. So like your garage is good as long as it's not during the summer, but or your pantry, in a cabinet, just somewhere where it's nice and dark and cool. You're going to let it sit and rest for 30 days. All right, so see you back shortly. It's going to be really quick, 30 days. Okay, so here we are, 32 days later. We're going to be doing our limoncello. So excited about this. In a previous video, I did the cherry cello, but here I'm going to be doing a little bit more simple syrup than we used in our cherry cello. Otherwise, this would be a little too bitter because we're just using the peel, not the whole fruit. So I have 1.5 cups of liquor with our lime peel, and I'm going to be using 3 cups of simple syrup. So I'm going to grab my strainer, get it in here, and then we're going to mix it together. All right, would you look at that? Look at how beautiful that color is. It's so fluorescent green. I'm so excited. I love limoncello, so I can't wait to taste lime. Bottoms up. Wow. I mean, this is unbelievable. This is so good, you guys. This is really good. I love this. It's so nice with that lime flavor and the sweetness of that simple syrup. It's perfect. You guys are gonna love it. All right, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. And also head over to Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. You can check out the Jen and Gina show. Please take pictures if you guys make this. Tag us, leave us all your comments. I love it. And please don't forget to check out my next video. See you guys soon. All right, guys, if you enjoyed this drink recipe and you want to keep drinking, go ahead and click over here with Gina. If you want to start cooking, go ahead and click over here and go see my girl Jen. If you haven't subscribed already, number one, why not? But number two, just go ahead and click the button here. I love it.